Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be cooking for you my black-eyed pea salad. It's a good dish for summer. Nice and refreshing. I have it on some summer nights. You can eat it as a salsa with chips. You can eat it by itself with a fork. It's just plain around good. And good for you. This one's going to be nice and healthy. So let's get started here, show you what's in it. It's real easy to make. Okay, start off, we're going to have some fresh tomatoes, yellow pepper, red pepper. You can use green peppers. Most of the recipes call for green peppers. I don't particularly care for green peppers, so I'm using red and yellow. I like the sweeter ones. 2 cans, these are 2 15-ounce cans of black-eyed peas, drained and rinsed, and then drained again. I am using a can of chickpeas. I love chickpeas. They taste really good. They've got protein in them. Good for you. Soluble fiber. Good stuff. Corn, drained as well. Sweet corn. Whole kernel corn. For the sauce, or the marinade, I guess, if you will. I'm making this the night before. Going to eat it tomorrow, so all the flavors are going to meld together overnight. Using balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. Here we have oregano and thyme. I'm going to chop that up into the marinade. We've got some chopped green onion, fresh parsley, and lemon to finish it off. A little squeeze of lemon and some fresh parsley. Gonna put a nice little kick at the end. Almost forgot. In the marinade right at the end, I'm gonna use this stuff. I like to add this stuff to a lot of things. It's called dash of flax. It's ground flaxseed. It's got essential fatty acids. Your omega-3s are in here, and some good fiber content. You can't even tell this stuff is in here, but I put it in the sauce. I just think it's part of the seasoning. It's good for you. Might as well throw some in. Okay, get my bowl here. I'm a bachelor, so these are the kind of bowls I get. This one's from Ziploc. It'll do for what I need it to. Plus, going to a party tomorrow. It's actually my birthday party, so I'm bringing the salad, and I can leave the bowl there, and who cares? Because it's like $1. So, all right. Well, get going here. Toss our peas in the bowl. These things are good too. I was trying not to eat them, but just right out of the can. I've got chickpeas, corn. Hopefully I have a big enough bowl. Gonna be tough to stir. I said 54 ounces, but well, it's going to be a full one. Anyway. Okay, green onion. Just do this. And I'm getting it everywhere. It's fine. It's my kitchen, there's nobody here to care. Okay, green onion in the bowl. Now I'm going to chop up my veggies. Okay, the bachelor bowl wasn't quite going to cut it. I've got tomatoes, peppers to get in there yet. So I want to have some room to mix, so we're going to put in this giant mixing bowl. I'll keep some for myself, I won't tell them, then I'll put some in the bachelor bowl and take it to them, so they'll never know. They'll think I made it just for them. Okay, so let's get going with the peppers. Don't want the stem in there. I want to remove the ribs and the seeds. That's what you want it to look out like. With the seeds out and the ribs out, it looks nice and clean. chop the peppers up. These knives can take fingers off, by the way. These are Werther's knives from Dover, Ohio, Amish country. Got a scar right there, actually. That's from another one of these. They say a sharp knife is a safe knife, but I don't know. That knife that cut my thumb was pretty sharp. I feel like I'm feeding the 5,000 here. I don't think the big bowl is going to take it either. I need 2 bowls, so probably pack this stuff up and eat some for lunch. But anyway, I'm going to do 3 stem-on tomatoes off the stem. This tomato knife is great. It's a Werther's knife also. Got the nice little serrated edge. This thing is money with a tomato. Peas and chickpeas in these containers here. Got a ton of this stuff. If anybody needs any, let me know. Because I'm going to have extra. But never made it for a big party before. But anyway, I'm going to now chop my oregano, thyme, and parsley. This is just a cheap knife from Taiwan. Some piece of junk, but it's a chef's knife. That's what you need to chop. I try to mince it pretty small. Smells good. Nothing like fresh herbs. Okay, you can mix the dressing together with a whisk and a bowl. What I'm going to use is my Tupperware salad dressing shaker. Works really good. I actually use this for protein shakes most of the time when I'm in a hurry and don't want to make the full blender shake. Just the protein powder and milk. This mixes it up pretty easy. But it's got a little, I don't know, whisk kind of thing built in. But I'm just going to pour that stuff in there. So in goes our herbs. Okay, I'm going to use a half a cup of balsamic vinegar. A cup and a half of oil, extra virgin olive oil. That's 1 cup. I only have a little left. We'll go a little shy of a cup and a half. I have another container of oil if I want, but we'll go a little light on the oil. It'll be okay. And we shake all that up. I almost forgot I need a half cup of sugar. I'm going to go a little bit light on the sugar. Don't want too many carbs in the dish. A little dash of flax in there. Maybe a couple tablespoons. mix that in. Okay, now I'm going to chop our parsley. We want about, I'm not huge on parsley, so I'm going to use a little less than I would normally use. Normally it would be about a half a cup of chopped parsley. I'm going to shoot for a little bit less than that. Okay, now the parsley goes in the bowls. I have 2 bowls, so I'm going to spread it around. On there. It looks delicious, doesn't it? All that color, beans, some good protein. It's really a vegetarian dish too. There's no meat in here at all. I am a meat eater, but there's still a good amount of protein in beans and chickpeas, so I'm happy. So we take the dressing, pour some over, let it all marinate. It smells really good. It's all going to mix together overnight and smell, or taste absolutely scrumptious. Okay, just mix some of that dressing in there. And to finish it off, a little twist of lemon. And I'm going to let it sit overnight, and it's going to be delicious. Black-eyed pea salad. Going to take this to the party tomorrow. This one's going in the freezer, so I can thaw that and have it later. I'm just going to eat a bowl of it right now. It's kind of like eating a bowl of salsa, but it's good and good for you. This stuff's delicious. I tried it. Alright, thanks. We'll see you next time. I'll stay tuned though. I'll be having some more video reviews soon. I've got some audio equipment, some headphones, and the RC car guys. It won't be too long. I'll have another video up for you too. Alright, thanks a lot. We'll see you later.